Understanding credit card, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a common term that you might hear quite often, credit card. It's a phrase you'll encounter in everyday life, especially in financial contexts. We'll break down what it means, how it's used, and some key aspects you should know about. Let's get started. A credit card is a small, rectangular piece of plastic or metal issued by a bank or financial institution. It allows the cardholder to borrow funds, usually at the point of sale, to pay for goods and services. The key here is that you're borrowing money, which you will need to pay back later, often with interest if not paid back in time. When you use a credit card, the issuer pays the merchant, and you, in turn, pay the issuer. This is different from a debit card, where the money comes directly from your bank account. Credit cards have a limit, which is the maximum amount you can borrow. It's important to use them responsibly to avoid debt. Benefits. 1. Convenience. Credit cards are widely accepted and easy to use. 2. Rewards. Many cards offer rewards like cash back, points, or travel miles. 3. Building credit. Responsible use can help build a good credit score. Risks. 1. Debt. It's easy to spend more than you can afford. 2. Interest and fees. Failing to pay off your balance can lead to high costs. 3. Credit score impact. Misuse can negatively affect your credit score. APR, annual percentage rate. The interest rate charged on borrowed funds. Credit limit, the maximum amount you can borrow. Minimum payment, the smallest amount you can pay to keep the account in good standing. Balance, the amount of money you owe on the credit card. That's all for our overview of credit card. I hope this video has helped clarify what credit cards are, how they work, and the important aspects to consider when using them. Remember, while they can be incredibly useful, it's crucial to use them wisely to avoid financial pitfalls. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.